This is a very important section for learning analysis and for all those who wish to track and monitor teaching and learning across the school. For example, if I want to analyze learning for Year 7 mathematics, I simply click on the new card icon. There are three main filtering categories, which has further filtering subcategories. I want to compare the winter collection for Year 7 mathematics cohort with the summer collection and analyze the progress made. I therefore need to select all appropriate categories. This includes selecting all the pathways and classes. I will need to select all the key objectives. I am able to filter by gender, ethnicity, and other such categories. This is useful if you want to narrow your focus to a particular groups of students, such as a focus group like a particular ethnicity or disadvantaged students. But for now, I will include them all. Once done, you press submit. I am able to give a title to my card. Notice the number of students selected. This is indicating that I have selected the full cohort. The pie chart is showing the distribution of learning in the Maths department for Year 7 for the autumn collection. It would be therefore useful if I can compare this with the latest collection. In order to do this, I simply click the duplicate card icon and this will duplicate the information I have just created. I can then modify the data and choose summer collection and then press submit. Now I am able to compare the rate of progress being made between the two collections. I am able to further analyze the data by clicking the Key Objective Analysis tab. I am then presented with an assessment or judgment overview for all the key objectives, and this can be viewed according to different pathways, which can be selected by clicking on the pathway tabs. You are able to search for key learnings or by learning which may have taken place on a particular term. I can see that these particular learning took place during term 1, and there are 8 students who are deemed to be developing instead of being secured. By simply clicking in the cell number, the names of the students and their classes are revealed. You are able to copy this information for communications purposes. These are vital information for school leaders, as it facilitates meaningful learning conversation between the teachers and students, where new targets can be set with expected time frame. You're also able to export this information into CSV file by clicking in the Export Table button. Another way of viewing the same information is by clicking the KO View tab, located next to the Overview tab. This view shows students' names against learning judgments for each key objective. You can also export this information into a CSV file by clicking the Export Data button.